Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Check this out. LOSI Super Baja Rey and LOSI DBXL gas-powered, electric, gas-powered, electric. Which one is faster? Well, we're going to find out here. So what happened was Andre gave me a call and he says he's going to the field to run off some of his batteries. He's got some 6-cell batteries he wants to run off. And I said, I will come with you, but I have no batteries for my car. All I have is a gas-powered vehicle. So I brought that. All right, Andre, so we have both cars out. Which one do you think is going to be faster?
Baja. I'm going to go with the Baja because that thing was crazy on pavement. Now, you've got more bitey tires than I do, and depending on the surface, so who knows?
Yeah, I've got the grippy tires for dirt and mud, but it is gas powered. It is 23cc. I do have the extra exhaust to give it more horsepower, apparently, and it makes a lot more noise, so I can say mine's gonna be noisier, but we'll find out here. I know exactly which one's gonna be faster, and you're gonna find out in a minute. Watch this. So let's bring them on out.
Where do I lift this thing from?
Yeah, it looks like, well, you hang on to it there. I just pull the front. It's way too heavy. There you go. Andre, start yours up. I want to hear what it sounds like.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm listening. Ooh.
And
hang on.
There's a fan.
I can hear it. And then if you burn out,
Ready?
go ahead. Whoa!
Holy.
This will not sound anything like that. Turn this on. Let's see what this sounds like. Here we go. A little different? I have no reverse. And those were my brakes. I almost ran you over. Hopefully we don't hit each other. Andre, you do the 3, 2, 1, go.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, I'm down there. You're over here. How far in did it go? Holy,
It's just from going in.
holy crap. Holy cow, you would have been down in the water. Yikes. Yeah, there's lots of water down there, the
But it
swamp.
would have got a little wet.
Yikes.
Okay.
All right, how about we less on the throttle? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. No damage, you're all good?
I think she's good.
Just dirty as heck, a lot of bugs. No damage on here, I think we're all good. 3, 2, 1, go! All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! And it's still going. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so that was our adventure today. Andre, your final thoughts?
Screwy. This stuff is harder to drive on than I thought, but it was, once we got going, we were having some good fun.
Yeah, it was really good. I was amazed that both of us almost lost our cars in the water. That was a problem. Second, we both flipped our cars. I thought I couldn't flip mine, so I thought there's no way that can flip, but I flipped it. Andre flipped his, no problem at high speed. Yep. Also, he hit a tree, but just to show you how strong these cars are, check out his. No damage whatsoever. Look at mine. No damage whatsoever. Just a bunch of grass and dirt and mud and crap sticking out of both of them, but they're pretty good. So we answered the question, which one is faster? I was surprised that the gas-powered one was as fast as it was, but there's no way it's as fast as the Super Baja Rey. If we were on pavement, that thing would smoke my mine. The tires are just slipping, and that's why it's all squirrely. Well, yours was a tiny bit slippery.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it was just sliding everywhere. But hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun for us. It was just something unexpected and just fun for us to do on a nice, dull, sunny afternoon. All right, take care. We'll catch you in the next video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up.